A gold sedan rolls through a stop sign leaving a convenience store lot. What starts as a routine pullover turns into handcuffs in under a minute.
Give me your information.
May I have a deputy?
Huh? You have a deputy. I'm standing in front of you.
Yeah, that's the one that's over.
Step out of the vehicle.
For sure.
Do you have your information?
I don't need to give it to you.
Yes, you do. Why would you not?
Because I came after you and you came to a big
Okay, step to the front of my car.
I could.
No, you will.
I could.
Go. To the front of my car. Go.
Now you're making me uncomfortable.
That's fine. Go to the front of my car.
I can't do that, sir.
Yes, you can.
Officer, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Sit right there.
You're a male.
Sit right there.
You're a male. I'm a
Sit
female.
right there.
You're a female. I'm a female. You're a male.
How do you know?
I'm a female.
How do you know what I identify as?
Exactly, but Trump gave it.
426,
That is.
Sit down.
You're making me uncomfortable.
Sit.
No.
I don't care. Sit down.
No.
Where's your identification?
No.
Where's your driver's license,
No.
registration,
No.
and your proof of insurance?
No.
You have made this so much more difficult than it needs
No,
to be.
because you came made a U-turn in front of me, and you came after me and turned around. I waited for
turned
you.
around
It
because
was
you
yellow
committed
light.
a violation
No, I
of
didn't.
Florida
It was
state
a yellow light.
statute.
It was
It
a yellow
does
light,
not
and
matter
my
if it is a
turn was-
yellow light.
Yes, it is.
I have explained to you
No,
why you
it
were
was a
pulled
yellow
over.
light.
I want your driver's license,
No,
registration.
And then you just put your hands
Negative.
on me.
I did put my
Yes,
hands
you
on you
did.
because you're refusing to
No,
give me your
I'm not.
information, and I'm not
You're-
going to allow you to sit in
I'm
that
not,
car.
I'm not, officer.
You don't operate this.
I'm
I'm in charge. Do you
I'm very
understand
much
me?
so complying, officer.
Sit down.
No. Because you put
Then
your
how are
hands
you
on me.
complying? I
Because
did.
you put your hands on
I
me.
did, because
I can
you
take my
failed
shirt
to
off.
follow a
No,
lawful
I can take
order.
my shirt off as a woman. You need to identify as a male. I'm a female, and you just put your hands on me.
I did,
came
because
out
you are
no,
failing
no,
to
I did not.
produce your
No, I did not.
identification.
I did not, officer.
Did-
I did not, officer.
Okay,
You just put
when
your
I
hands on me.
when I asked you,
officer,
driver's
you
license,
put your
registration,
hands
proof
on
of
me.
insurance.
No.
Where's your driver's
You
license?
put your hands on me.
Where's your driver's
You
license?
put your hands on me.
Where is your
You
driver's
put your
license?
hands on me.
Where is your driver's
You put
license?
your hands on me. No, officer. You put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
Ma'am,
You
you're
put
being
your hands on me.
detained.
No, you put your hands on me. What are you doing? What are
being
you doing?
detained.
You put your hands on me. Officer, you put your hands on me. What are you doing?
If you do not comply, I'm going to put you on the
I've
ground.
been complying.
I'm going to put you on the
You
ground.
put- you didn't
Turn
even tell me
around,
what you pulled me
turn
out of the
around
car.
and put your hands behind
You're
your
putting
back.
your hands on me.
Turn around and put your hands
Officer,
behind your
I
back.
literally have seizures, and you're
Turn
putting your
around
hands
and put your hands.
Officer, no, you're putting your hands on me. Officer, you're putting your hands on me.
Step it up.
Officer,
Turn around
you're
and
putting
put
your hands on me. You're
behind
making
your
me
back.
uncomfortable.
Turn around and
No.
put your hands behind your
you're
back.
making me uncomfortable. No, stop, officer. I refuse. Officer, officer, you're hurting me. I didn't do anything. You didn't even ask for my identification.
I did.
No, you didn't, officer. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Officer, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Get your hands behind your back.
Officer, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Hey, take her.
Officer, please. You're hurting me.
Just get on this side. I got it. Guys, listen. I got to get on
I
this side.
didn't do anything.
Listen, get on this
You
side.
didn't even ask for anything.
Relax. Hey, relax.
Officer,
Relax.
please. No,
Relax.
you're hurting me.
I got him.
He didn't offer me anything.
Relax.
He didn't offer
Hey.
me anything.
Stop.
He didn't
Relax.
offer me anything.
Relax.
Officer, he's hurting me. I just sat there. He pulled me over. I pulled over. He's hurting me.
Hey, look towards the car. Look towards
He
the
hurt
car.
me.
Look towards the
I
car.
didn't do anything.
Listen.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
No, you're fine.
I didn't do
Just
anything.
relax.
I didn't do anything. I was at a yellow light.
Just
I was
relax.
at a yellow
Hey,
light.
what's your name?
I
what's
was
your
at a
name?
yellow light.
I
What the
understand the yellow
heck?
light. What's your name?
I was at a yellow light. He said you turn on me, and I was at a full stop.
Hey.
I was at a full stop. He's hurting me.
He was not hurting you.
Yeah, bro, I didn't do anything.
You're not listening.
I didn't do anything.
Damn, they won't come out now.
It's all right. Take
Deputy
your time.
Baker.
Hey.
Deputy Baker, it's Miranda. He literally he stopped me for no reason. I came to a complete stop. He made a U-turn.
Calm down.
And then I came out and he tried to put his hands on me.
All right.
As a woman.
Cooperate.
I'm cooperating and then he tried to put me to the ground.
Okay.
I promise you,
Take
Deputy
a breath.
Baker.
Take a breath.
I'm trying to
Calm
take a
down.
deep breath.
Okay, you're not cooperating.
I've been cooperating. He tried to put his hands on me from the get-go.
Hey, just
We
relax.
got Kristen.
He did.
Let's go ahead. Okay.
I swear. I put all my life.
All right. Resisting now is not going to
I'm not resisting.
You're all balled up.
Because he hurt me from the get-go and told me, what do I have to identify as? I'm not a female and he's a male. He was like, how do you know what I identify as?
Calm down.
Hey, do you have any needles or anything on you that's going to poke
What
us?
the fuck?
Listen to him.
Easy question. Do you have
Listen to
anything on
him.
us?
Do you have anything on you that's going to hurt anybody?
Deputy Baker, I swear on my life, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Answer the
He
question.
He was in his own feelings. I didn't do anything.
I'm gonna try to pull his pants off.
I didn't do anything. I put on my life. I was sitting at the yellow light and I waited for him to stop and I came after him and he made a U-turn on me.
Calm down.
I am calm and he
You're not
hurt my
calm.
feelings and he
You're not
upset
calm.
me and then he put me up. I didn't even say shit. I came out and I was like, no, I refuse because he was being mean to me. No, you're wrong and you know it.
That's fine. I've been wrong before.
You've been wrong before.
I know I have.
I know you
just
have,
said
but I
that.
know him.
Okay.
I know him faithfully and you hurt me.
Well, I'm Deputy
You put your
Thompson.
hands on me.
I'm Deputy Thompson now.
No,
We know
but
each
you
other.
put your hands on me.
I know, because you didn't listen.
No, I didn't listen because you
Oh,
pulled
okay.
me out of the car and you didn't tell me what I did wrong. You did that and you know you did that.
I did. I just told you I
No, you're not.
Go
Yeah.
do what.
I didn't
You-
do
do
anything
your thing.
wrong to you. You didn't even try to ask me for my identification.
We're going to sit in here for just a moment.
You literally just pulled me out of the fucking car without telling me anything.
Just turn and sit right here.
did. This was going to be a simple traffic stop, dude, for fail to stop.
What happened?
I think she's signal one.
Oh.
I can smell it on her
Yeah.
breath while she's yelling at me.
The deputy activates his lights. The driver refuses to hand over identification, and immediately, the conversation escalates. She argues about gender, about right-of-way, about who is really in charge. The deputy is not interested in the debate. He wants a license. When she still won't comply, he puts his hands on her. She calls it assault. He calls it a lawful order. Backup arrives, including a sergeant with a sharper eye. He smells alcohol. He spots an open beer bottle on the floor. Now, the story shifts. This isn't just about a stop sign anymore. It's a suspected DUI. She insists there was no probable cause to stop her in the first place. Here's the problem with that argument. Under Terry v. Ohio, officers don't need probable cause to pull someone over. Reasonable suspicion is enough. A rolled stop sign is reasonable suspicion. That's the entire legal bar, and she cleared it for them. She stalls on the field sobriety test, negotiating instead of complying. While the deputy asks the same question over and over, will you do the exercises? Her answer never comes, only more arguing.
You good?
Yeah, there's an open beer bottle on the floorboard over there, which would confirm. She's smelling it out of her breath while she's talking to me the whole time. Am I waiting for Kristen to search her or something?
Yeah, well, I mean, what do you got her on right now?
Oh, I suspicion of DUI. She's going, Sarge.
Yeah, that's.
So, I can tell that you're upset.
Yeah, I'm upset because I have a right to be upset. People think I'm lying.
And like I
Every
explained
time I
to you
come
earlier-
here and every time I deal with this bullshit, I made a fully legal left turn with my turning signal.
You'll have your day in court, Miranda. Okay.
I can't have a day in court because I'm going to go to jail. I'm literally going to have more than that.
You know, let me give you have a problem, right? Your problem right now is that you're in the back of a car.
It's not my problem. It's not even my vehicle.
Hang on.
It's not even
The
my
problem
vehicle.
is that you're not allowing me to explain the situation to you.
My thing is
you're
it's not my
constantly
vehicle.
over-talking me. Okay?
It's not my
Your
vehicle.
problem is that you're in a situation right now, okay, where you're in handcuffs in the back of the vehicle. Am I correct?
No.
Yes.
This isn't my problem.
Where are you at?
Then my problem is that this is a whole lie from the get-go.
No, you're in the back of a vehicle.
It was
with
a
your
lie from
handcuffs
the
on.
get-go.
Okay.
I couldn't even get my time
And that's
of
why
day.
we have body cams, okay, and dash cams.
It's
So
not.
guess
It's
what?
not about the dash cam.
Everything that happened-
If that was the case, then my case would have been dropped. I'm going to trial for a fucking militant hurricane.
Okay, all right. So this is what we're gonna do. Take a seat, sit back. Right, I'm gonna put you in seatbelts. Future reference, okay. If you get in this problem again, okay, the easiest way out of it is to just comply with the
I was
officer.
complying. He pulled me out of the vehicle.
Okay.
He pulled me out of the vehicle.
We
I
have the
couldn't
right
even
to
get
do
my
that.
registration or anything because they didn't tell me what I did wrong.
Okay. All right. You got DUI too.
Yeah, no.
She's hammered.
Yeah, I agree. I'm going to ask her if she wants to do SFEs. Hey, Miranda, I got a question for you, okay? Listen, I believe you're under the influence of alcohol, Would you be willing to?
I would be.
You'd be willing to complete standardized field sobriety for me?
I would be, because I wasn't under the influence. I was looking for my vehicle. Looking for my car in my friend's vehicle.
Okay.
I didn't go anywhere, and you know that I didn't. You made a U-turn behind me.
I did, because I saw you.
You made a U-turn behind me because it was on a yellow light, and I had the right of way, and I made the right turn.
That's incorrect. I told you why I pulled you over. You failed to stop.
And even after that,
listen, I'm not arguing. Give me just a second.
With you.
You are though.
She refused.
Huh? No, she just told me she would do it. She's convinced that I stopped her because she went through the yellow light, and I'm like, that's not why we're stopped.
Well, she wants to argue about it instead of listening. So.
Yeah, well, that's my concern right now. If I get her out of this car, she's just going to keep arguing with me, and I don't know how far I'm going to get through these exercises.
You give her the opportunity, and if she's not compliant, then...
I can tell you, after her resisting me, trying to get cuffs on her, I don't want to take them back off, Sarge. I'll be 100% honest with you.
If she's willing to say that she's going to do it, we'll take them off. But
Yep. I think she believes that I'm about to do a breathalyzer, and I think that's what she agreed to do, because she's asking me if I pass the breathalyzer right here, am I going to go free?
Oh, okay. Hey, Miranda. What the deputy wants you to do is field sobriety exercises.
Okay.
You know what the difference between that and the breathalyzer is?
Yes, what I asked was, is that what the probable cause?
The probable cause is a traffic stop and the odor of alcohol.
Right, but
Okay.
he didn't give me the odor of alcohol. He pulled me out of my vehicle because he said I made a traffic violation, but didn't give me the description of that.
We're not going to stand here and debate the reason.
I'm not
for the
debating
stop.
that,
Okay.
but I know you know
What
that
we're
I've
asking
stopped,
you
been
to
stopped
do.
before, and
Sure.
I've been in the jail because of the hurricane, and I can't go to jail because of bond. So I was very compliant because of that. So there was no reason for me not to be compliant. With that being said, why would I go back to jail knowing that my bond can be revoked and I can go to jail for that?
What we're asking you to do is field sobriety exercises.
My thing is if I will be able to pass that, what will go after that?
We would make a determination at that point.
Determination at that point?
Yep.
And will I be able to get a traffic violation?
I'm not going to tell you one way or the other because we're not there yet.
I understand that,
I'm
but
not going to hold everything over your head or tell you that
I'm
we're
being
gonna...
very, very understanding, and I'm trying to understand what's going on.
Yep.
At this point, even if I were to pass or not pass, where is the violation that I committed?
Again, I'm not going to debate.
I don't know the violation that I committed, is what I'm saying.
He was explaining it to you when you were standing over there screaming at us. Okay?
No, I wasn't. I literally got pulled and grabbed. I have a literally mark on my arm to show that he literally put me over when I told him that I was a woman. I would rather be a female because he told me he wanted to search me.
You don't have that option.
I didn't have the option, but
You
what
don't
made me
get to select
upset?
what police officer.
Come on, I'm talking to you as literally. I know you before. You met me before. I'm trying to tell you that he upset me because he told me, what can I identify as? And I'll identify as a male or female. So are you making me uncomfortable, trying to make me feel like I'm not a male or female?
It's trying to be respectful.
No, it's not respectful because the way he said it.
That's how you perceive it, okay?
But exactly, and that
All right.
I'm only being compliant because of that. But I'm not being incompliant because of his actions. I'm being compliant because of what he said.
So, at this point, are you going to submit to field sobriety exercises?
Even if I submit or not submit, if I'm going to be able
Are
to
you
pass,
going to submit or
no.
not submit? Okay.
Perfect.
I want to submit, but I need to know the answers to that.
You're under arrest for DUI.
Thank you.
Hello. Yes. Can I please get my sobriety test, please?
Didn't there to do when you step out for me? I'm gonna search you.
May I get my sobriety test? Like, goddamn, I didn't do shit. What the fuck? I'm not even drunk. I didn't even have one beer.
Spread your feet for me.
Y'all are not gonna try to give me a test or what?
Just DUI doesn't just mean alcohol.
I'm not on nothing. I don't do drugs. What the?
I'm not saying that you do. I'm just saying that.
Y'all told me y'all were gonna give me a test. I'm like, what the? Where's the test?
Didn't you just refuse?
No, they're trying to confuse me on what the I'm saying. I'm trying to say like I didn't do anything wrong. Is why I'm saying no. I will take a test if I have
You'll
to
be
prove
able
it.
to take a test at the jail.
No, I can't go to jail. I literally just went to jail for a Hurricane
You
Milton
need to turn around?
curfew.
Yeah, I need
Yeah,
you
can you
to
turn
turn
around
around.
real
Turn the
quick?
car. Face
Oh,
the
oh,
car.
oh.
Spread your feet.
Oh,
I
okay.
need you to stop moving. Spread your feet.
I have nothing, literally.
I don't care. I need you to spread your
My
feet.
feet are spread, sir. What the fuck? Y'all are tripping. This is crazy as This is kidnapping. This is motherfucking insane. I didn't do anything wrong. What the fuck? It had no probable cause to stop me. It cops to stop me. No. This is fucking insane. Y'all are crazy as fuck. Y'all are crazy. Can I take my test now?
Is this your phone?
Can I take my test?
Huh?
That's not my phone. Can I take my? I was looking.
So whose phone is this?
I have no idea.
So do you want me to leave it in the car?
I need to take my test.
You refuse.
No,
We just
I
asked
told,
you and
no,
you
that's not
refused.
what you said. You made
That's
me feel
exactly
like
what we
I'm
said.
going to jail regardless.
Hop back in the car.
No, that's crazy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, y'all are tripping. Oh my gosh, y'all are tripping.
So I don't want to. I feel like that's her phone, and if I leave it in the car,
Take it as her phone.
I was like, I don't want to throw you to the ground.
Well, I was trying to search her and she kept like turning.
Yeah.
I was like, I need you to stop because she kept turning around
She
on
wants
me.
it left. Okay.
Whose phone is it?
I lost my phone. This is my friend's car. I drove up to the Circle K.
Is it Jared's phone?
I went to find my phone. Yes, I don't have a
Is
phone.
this Jared's phone?
Yes, all of those stuff in the car.
Do you want me to just leave it in the car then for Jared?
I didn't have nothing. I was looking up at the Circle K.
I can't. Hang on, I can't hear you. Do you want me to give this to Jared?
Yes, I was up at the Circle K looking for my phone.
Okay. I'll give it. That's all we were trying to determine is if this needed to go with you or.
Yeah, no, I don't have a phone.
That's enough for probable cause to arrest for DUI. The cuffs go on, the arguing does not stop. She's charged with 2 misdemeanors, driving under the influence and resisting an officer without violence. Both charges carry real consequences. DUI convictions typically come with license suspension and mandatory diversion under most states' implied consent laws. In court, she pleads no contest to both. The judge treats that like a guilty plea. The sentence: 180 days in county jail license suspended for 9 months, 50 hours of community service mandatory DUI school, and a 10-day vehicle impound. The deputy gets a B. He stayed procedurally correct through an unnecessarily combative stop, though the physical takedown came in fast. Under Terry versus Ohio, his read of the situation held up. What he lacked was patience in the opening seconds. Miranda gets an F. She escalated a stop sign violation into a DUI arrest by refusing to simply hand over her license. Compliance would have taken 30 seconds. Instead, it cost her 6 months. The lesson here is simple. Reasonable suspicion is a low bar, and refusing to comply doesn't erase probable cause. It usually creates more of it. If you want more Bodycam breakdowns like this one, hit subscribe. What do you think the sentence should have been? Drop it in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.